raccoon or not, you're not getting this pie!
Stupid dog!
Came in last Friday morning, Puerto Rican. Spoke English pretty good, but prescription medicine must have been a term he didn't understand.
He wanted a prescription filled?
Well, he brings in a Percodan vial from the Bellevue ER issued the day before. It says no refills right on the label, but then he starts giving me some bull about how they said he could get more pills if he was still in pain.
Full restitution. Counselor, nobody forced Mrs. Feinberg to pay for Arena's services.
True. Problem is, Miss...
According to New York Penal Code, fortune-telling for amusement is completely kosher.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
No, he did
Yes,
not.
he did.
I did not.
Yes, he did.
You don't know what you're talking about. We've been arguing about this all day long. Patty didn't get us. He did not. You don't know.
Hold on, I'm no damn baby raper.
Right, hanging around a playground, taking pictures of little kids is a normal pastime for a grown man.
I was working. I'm a PI.
You don't need ID to buy donuts.
He ever come in with anybody?
No, people who come in at 4 in the morning usually aren't the social type.
He ever say what he was doing here at 4 a.m.?
No.
Now can I go back to work?
On top of everything else he's facing, you want him to perjure himself?
Tomas!
Oh, man, you're screwed.